We just got to one of my favorite places. I am a little bit behind because I stopped at my parents' house for way too long. But this is a place called Terrain. It's owned by Anthropology. It's like their garden center. And I come up here every year and get like fall decor and pumpkins. And they just have a really cool selection. And I get so many ideas because the merchandisers or the creative directors are just ridiculously talented. So you guys are going to love this. Back home, 6 hours later, those errands really got away from me. The goodies. I wanted to film this right when I got home, except I had all this construction going on in my neighborhood. So we're just gonna do it open bag like this, starting off with pantry things that are not in the fridge or freezer. I picked up where's the front of this? Oh, autumn maple coffee. I had this today. It was really, really good. Picked up the organic pumpkin bread. The macros are not terrible. 90 calories for one slice, 2.5 fat, 15 carbs, 2 fiber, and 4 grams of sugar, which is really not terrible. This is gonna make amazing French toast. I had gotten these last year and they were like a sweet and savory tortilla chip. Really love it with their fall harvest salsa, which I picked up 2 of because it's amazing. Then could not get the gluten-free pumpkin pancake mix. This stuff is fantastic, especially because you can just mix it with protein powder if you want to do like half of the serving, so you can keep it lower in carbs. There is some sugar in here, but I would eat these after training anyway, so I'm not like super worried about it. And then I got 2 bags of the pumpkin spiced pumpkin seeds. I literally go through like 5 bags of these every season. They do have quite a bit of sugar in them, so just keep that in mind, but they are so good on salad or yogurt, even like them on pumpkin pancakes. Not a Trader Joe's item, but I do enjoy the pumpkin spice RX bar, so had to get one of those. The Trader Joe's pumpkin O's, basically like pumpkin Cheerios. This actually has pretty good macros. I was surprised. For 30 grams, 110 cal, 1 fat, 25 carb, 1 fiber, 9 grams of sugar. This is the amazing fall harvest salsa. So good on basically everything. I like it even baked with chicken. You could even use this in if you were making a pumpkin chili and you wanted to have more of that like fall flavor. You could substitute your jar of salsa for this one and it is so good. Was pretty surprised. The macros on this creamy pasta sauce are really good, and it says it has pumpkin and butternut squash, and then 90 calories for a serving, but 125 grams is a lot. I wouldn't even probably use that. And I would mix this in with my like cauliflower rice or miracle noodles. 6 grams of fat and 11 carbs. So pretty good. Ingredients are also really good. It's pretty fresh. Got a pumpkin pie spice. And then every time I go, I pick up 2 everything but the bagel seasonings and 1 of the onion salts. This one is so good on just about everything. Then from the refrigerated section, I got the Autumn Harvest Alfredo sauce. This actually has great macros as well. 80 calories for 57 grams, 7 grams of fat, and 2 carbs. So again, this on some cauliflower rice, or I'm gonna do like a carrot noodle dish with this. I think it'd be so good. Truthfully, I cut this for Kyle because he sent it to me on Instagram from one of those Trader Joe's accounts, and the macros, 8 carbs for a serving. You could put a little bit of this on some low-cal ice cream, pancakes, yogurt. It's pretty delicious. I've been putting it on my protein muffins in the morning, and it's a perfect little pre-workout sugar, quick sugar. Trader Joe's also had the pumpkin perfect bars. Kyle absolutely is just obsessed with these, so got him a few of them as well. From the freezer section, I got the pumpkin waffles. We went through a lot of these last fall, so I had to get these again. Macros are decent. I think it's 26 carbs for 2, So not bad at all. Not too much sugar either, which is nice. New the rice, cauliflower, and butternut squash risotto, which you guys know I eat cauliflower rice basically every day. You can't beat these macros. Very excited to try this. I hope you guys liked seeing what I picked up at Trader Joe's. If you like this video and these types of grocery hauls, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. If you guys haven't clicked that subscribe button or followed along on Instagram, definitely do it so you never miss a video or a post. I've got tons of recipes and wellness tips over on Instagram. I have some great videos coming out this week, so definitely stay tuned for my updated room tour. You guys are going to love it, as well as some more fall decor videos. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turned.